So, um, I was wondering what other solutions for data science we have on um, the marketplace. Marketplace is full of new um, programs, new software on different virtual machines. So, if you search for data analytics or actual data science, so you will see a lot of virtual machines with software and products installed on them. Um, Here, if you take a look, uh, you see a big list. Most of them are from Microsoft, but for different keywords, you will get different answers. So, what are these? What can we do with these machines? Today I'm going to test one of them. This Knowledge Studio looks fine. Let's see how it is. So it's a data mining and predictive analytics tool, as it seems. So you don't need to use code, and you can use linear logistic regression, decision trees, ensemble trees, neural networks. Good. So um, let's see what we can find in this virtual machine. So now we have to configure it. For configuration, we need the name and uh, just we can set it up just a regular virtual machine. So a password, when we're logging, we need this password and the username. So the resource group, you can create one or use one of the existing ones. So I use the hill as always, and you have many options for the location. Hopefully, because it's just a virtual machine, you have more freedom, and there are many options there, Canada or any other countries. So for the size, let's try something average. So we don't have all the options available, but yeah, we'll go with one of these that has a decent number of cores. So these are the DS uh, series that we see here. They have multiple cores, SSD, as and yes, so I chose the one with 4 cores and 4 GB of RAM. So storage, well, I leave it just as it is. And here is the summary. Validation, and validation is passed. Okay. Some of these are not free, so you probably need to pay for them. This one, for example, is 2.6 Canadian dollars per hour. So, and it is not covered by Azure Credit, and it will be billed separately. Uh, this is like interesting, and you have to pay for the price of the virtual machine as well, which is like um, 63 cents per hour. Okay, so I'll accept the terms and wait for deployment. So the deploying is started on this virtual machine, and so I guess it succeeds. I just skipped through the waiting time. It took a few minutes. So this is our virtual machine ready. Let's connect to it. So I click on connect, and then the RDP remote desktop profile is downloading. Okay, I run it, connect. So I can't use my Windows password. I should use the username and password that I entered when I was creating the machine. Yes. So once we accept the certificate, come here. So welcome to Angoss Analytics software in Microsoft Azure Cloud. So this seems like to be a software from a company named Angoss. I'm not familiar with that company or products. I tried searching for this workstation, but I didn't find a lot of information in English. So when you run this virtual machine, you can see there's this icon on desktop, Angoss 9.6 workstation, and it's on Windows Server 2012. So I basically run this. It takes a while, but it runs. So in the README it says that we need to register. So I will register. So basically there is some registration key and things like that. It goes forward and backward, and it depends on my machine. So my unique machine ID is at software lock, hardware lock actually, software hardware combination. And it seems like this software has okay, yeah, this is the license manager. They have floating floating licenses here. These are the connection. Okay, so I accepted. I accepted the license. Now let's see. Let's see what we have here. Let's try. Yeah, the product tutorial. Okay, it's just. Yeah, let's work with the sample. Census, maybe. Yes, and the claims. Okay, these are the databases. So this is loading. Okay. Oh, it looks good. So we just started. We just loaded Census database here, and this is a sample. So there's a partitioning here. Okay, so the census data set is partitioned into training and validation, and the model that we're waiting for is the income. So we run the income and everything will run. Mm-hmm. Let's see what we can see. Okay, as I open the income, this is a very good user interface, I suppose. Okay, this is a very big chart at the bottom. So correlations are so the census is analyzed here, and different people, different ages, different education levels, husband, wife, like capital loss. There are a lot of information here, so it automatically classified all that information. And so this is the census. We should see what we have in the data and what kind of analysis this is. But well, it seems nice. I like it. This is Knowledge Studio 9.6. So let's see what other options do we have for importing data. So we can import from text and databases. For modeling, cool. They have implemented a lot of different algorithms: bagging, boosting, ensemble, logistics, regression, linear regression, and they've got text preparation, text analysis. Okay, they've got a lot of tools, and this is really interesting. And in statistics charts, so yeah, they basically have a lot of implementation. They've got GLM, regression, logistic, okay, principal components, PCA, summary table. So that's it. It's really good to know that there are many options here in Azure Marketplace, and I'm really happy to test one of them, which was Knowledge Studio. Let me know if you had more questions. Thank you.